You forget, you might want to look at this. It's a very helpful thing, so you can just put it back and take it apart. They have clicking things, and so you can click it on, and you can click it on top. So if you mess up, just take it off. Since it's just a clicking thing, it's fast, it's easy. It has the constructions right here on it. And so you can put it on here, and it has the constructions right here. So if you just read it, you know how to do it. That's Command E. And then they have numbers and letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to learn, you can turn it to any page. I prefer, if you want to do the first thing, since the first thing is easy, since all it is a fan and then, do you know one that can fly in the air? That's awesome. So it uses a fan to help, and it has a words on here. So if you need to look at this, that helps. And they have this, so you can put it in instead of you having to make one. And then here's a red wire, here's a black wire, and here's a SP, here's ones, here is threes, and I hope you like it since it is fun. And then here's this, and then you have everything else. Here the 4 goes. That's where the 4 and 2 go on top of the 4. Then here's we have a 6 and 5. Here's where the 3s go. Here's where the B1 goes. So they can tell you what it is. And they have WC, SP, B1, L1, R1, RP, D1, S1. They have U1, U2, U3, and 1. And another one, Mason? No, I'm trying to figure out where this goes. It has to go to the motor to here, but I need a 1, but it doesn't say 1. If you have a problem, you should read it instead of looking at the picture. Looking at the picture doesn't help, so don't look at the picture. You should only read this part. Oh, so it tells you 1, 2, 3. And you could have a problem which Mason is saying right now. Add this onto YouTube, please. I want to see it on YouTube. I messed up, everyone. If you mess up, it's okay. All you have to do is keep these, and you'll just have it, and then you can have, you have the U1, U2, U3, M1, 4, 2, 6, 5, L1, R1, RP, D1, S1, jumper wire, fan 2, S2, jumper wire. So there's 2 jumper wires, but they're different color. One is black and one is red. Then they have a 3, and B1, and 3. I need a speaker. Speaker? Yes. And here's a speaker. You don't put on this side, put it on this side, since you can't hear on this side. So this would be the front of the side, and this would be the back of the side. And this is an SP. See, it has the numbers. It has letters or numbers or I need a 2. And now I need an S1. Here's the S1 where you can turn it on and off. So we have it off. Here's fan. It can go round and round. It can go in the air. do lots of stuff with fan, but only for stuff. And so if you want to go to Amazon.com, RP. And there's an RP. And this is an RP. And it has an arrow on the back. So, see, it's like using almost all this stuff, but it's not. It's not using the wire. It's not using the fan. Really, it needs all these stuff, right? I need 2 ones. So he needs a 3, of course. And then he'll show you how to turn it on. We only have 1 more to go, and it's almost done. So, turn it on. And then it keeps on going over. And here's the light bulb. Here's the sound. You should use all. You have to use batteries, but any type of battery. If you can use stick paper, you have to use water for one of them. This doesn't work. You have to use this. You have to use this one for the water, and it's not going to break or anything, so don't worry about that since spiders can't touch water. But this is a play set. It makes like robots, but it makes noise. So it is you have to put it in water if you want to make this one. Don't be afraid. And here's a picture of this one. So. I'm already down there. I only had to do 1. Can I do 1? Mary wants to do 1, Mom.